There we go. Yeah, so this is the 5th time I've shot an update to the house here in Mount Vernon on what is probably the nicest day of the year so far. It's like 77 degrees. It's absolutely beautiful. But we've gotten the trees in the front under control. I still need to move a bunch of rocks and clean that up, which is going to be a pain in the butt because there's actual concrete around that thing. The yard is actually doing pretty well. I still need to do a lot of cleaning though. As Matthew will probably see, I need to fix this, which came out last night. I still have this absolutely terrible wisteria and a few trees that I need to handle. Here's the actual house. So let's go in here. The kitchen, which now has a stove, which is really handy for me. The living room, which is more or less a place where I saw wood at the moment. Storage, a bathtub, yay. And our only other actual finished room that is not, it's not an unfinished doorway. That's literally just, I needed to, you know, shore that up. So, and then we go downstairs with our nice set of stairs, thanks to Matthew. Oh my gee, oh, it's so cool down here. Yeah, so at the moment this is mainly just storage and the place where I do my laundry. So and then we go upstairs, which is where I more or less stay. And as you can see, the upstairs is really, really nice. Giving you a look here at the floor is absolutely beautiful. But it's taken a lot of cleaning too. But yeah, so we're doing quite well.